Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aditi and today we are going to do unboxing of My Glam. I think I've been just thinking about this idea for more than a year and finally we are executing it. So let's start with the unboxing. I have so many products. Oh my god. I think I've been collecting so many products since last year and finally I'm doing it. So let's start with it. So first I'm going to start with the eyeliner. I think it's really important to have a good eyeliner. I love the products which are easy to carry because you know party and traveling and all of that you need it. So let's try it on. I haven't put on my eyeliner lipstick for a reason today. So let's start with it. Thin one tip. I really like it. Sure. Let's start. Oh my god, I'm so excited and at the same time I'm very scared. Let's not judge my liner skills right now. Let's talk about the liner. I love it actually. Swatching it on my hand just to make sure. Let's see, like, in how much time it will get dry out and all of that. And this get dries up within a minute or so, I guess. Like within a minute it will get dry up completely. So I really love this My Glam eyeliner finish look that I think everybody looks up to, and you can see it. I really liked it. I am already on 10 on 10 with this product. If I do like this to my another eyeliner, they start smudging everywhere, and you can see on my finger there is no. So this is completely a smudge proof thing. Matte. Don't keep it out. It's matte, it's cute, it's easy to carry. So I really loved it. I will definitely rate this product of My Glam 10 on 10. Okay. I really loved it. So let's move on to the another product, which is this, which I have been using. This is my second compact powder, okay? And I have to tell you this, it's amazing. I use this. I don't like to use foundation. Like if I'm just going out to meet my friends, then I don't really like to use foundation and all that. I just use this pretty product. You can see, like, I've used this product. I'm not lying. I love this product a lot. Just dab and dab. This gives amazing finish. Right now, put on, foundation and all, or else I would have showed you guys amazing. If you want a compact powder, definitely 1000% I will recommend you My Glam product. It's worth it. It's worth it. And even I gifted this to my mom because I really loved it. It has this amazing matte finish that you don't need to put like a lot of products, like foundation, primer, blush, this and that, concealer and all of that. Just use this product, easy to carry, just one product and you have everything. I carry it so many times. Like, I don't really like to use foundation anymore. I can see, I just carry this. That's it. Honestly, I love this product a lot, and this is definitely a 10 on 10. And this is my second product. So 10 on 10, I love it. I'm gonna soon order one more, and you will see that on my Instagram story. Let's move on to the third product. One of the most favorite ones is the liquid lipsticks. Uh, this one I got last year. This is the one I got this year. I love the matte finish. Trust me, whenever I want to look, you know, add some matte into it, this is it. I love the matte finish it has. Trust me with that. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. This is the color. I don't know the shade because I think I removed the label. I don't know the shade, but I will definitely mention it somewhere here. I love the matte finish. I love the color. I really wanted a pink uh, My Glam liner because it's matte. And I have seen a lot of brands claiming matte lipsticks and liners. Trust me, I have tried so many of them, but none of them has given me the results that this has. Trust me with that. I see, it has already started drying out. I love this. If you want a matte lipstick, liner, 100%, 100%, I can put anything to the bed. Swear. So I'm just pressing it and you can see no color. It's complete matte. Like, I love My Glam products, and Manish Malhotra has just done an amazing work, something that's worth it. Like, I have two other brands matte lipstick, and till today I haven't seen this kind of finishing, or it's not that matte that I have to be like, oh my god, that's so itchy and it's falling off everywhere. Nothing like that. Not even a single complaint. Really dried out. I'm showing you the real results. That's the reason I'm so excited to do this whole unboxing, because I love this product so much. It's just unbelievable. I'm gonna swatch another lipstick for you guys. Liner, another liner for you guys. This is R Bomb. I'm using really less product. Can you even see the shade? It's such an amazing shade. I love this shade. I wear it for like nude and black and white. I love this shade. This is really pink and this is really like down tone. Ready to dry within few minutes. Few minutes, really less. I will rate it 10 out of 10. Nothing less. It's everything. You don't need to worry about anything once you wear it. Amazing. Not too much dry, not too much, creamy. It claims what it has. Like, it that's it for this video. I hope you guys love this video. I put my utmost honest opinion before you guys. I really love this brand. It's not sponsored at all. I really felt like it's amazing. It's matte. It should worth every single penny, because you work really hard for it, and makeup is quite expensive. So that's the reason I've put this video out. If you really like this video, if you really love this video, if you enjoyed this video, then make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And for more such videos, make sure you hit that subscribe bell button. And I will come up with full face, my glam look, face look, whatever. And till that time, enjoy your weekend, have an amazing life, and I hope to see you guys soon again with amazing honest video. Bye.